Top 6. Best Stun Gun. However, when it's time to choose the right stun gun, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best stun gun on the market today, so if you're interested in what stun gun will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 1. Best Overall. Saber Self-Defense Kit and Stun Gun.
Have a life to live, a world to enjoy, and people to enjoy it with. At Saber, our mission is to encourage you to make it safe so that you can live confidently and enjoy the things you love more often. With empowering personal safety products that you can trust, and we align with other organizations who want the same. For over 45 years, we have empowered generations with a deep range of personal safety product solutions designed with you in mind to keep you and your loved ones safe. Products you can depend on with state-of-the-art quality control and testing from a brand that offers more than just what's on the shelf. So no matter where you go, what you do, or where life takes you, have the confidence of the #1 brand trusted by consumers worldwide. Because no one believes personal safety is personal more than Saber, and it looks a little different for everyone. Preparing for the moments you can never really prepare for. When peace of mind means the world to both of you. Making the usual trip home just another trip. Having the freedom to roam so you can pursue your passion. After all, this is your happy place, your destination, your home. And no one safety solution fits all. So while you're out there, living your life your way, know that we'll always be developing, equipping, and empowering you with products.
Number 2. Runner-up. Taser Pulse Plus Self-Defense Tool.
When you have a device that's going to do most of the work for you and when you want to escape, I feel that's something that's crucial for everybody.
With the Taser device, you don't have to be close. You can be at a non-contact distance. You don't want to be too close to a person that's actually acting as the aggressor.
You've got your 3 feet, your 5 feet. I'm right there. I have control of the assailant. It's effective. It's effective. It's very effective.
You know, you could train someone and get them very comfortable versus a firearm. I would have training courses and it would take a whole day just to get someone to even pick it up.
It's a non-lethal option that you can carry to protect yourself, to protect those you love, without having to use lethal or deadly force.
Number 3. Best Budget. FightSense Super Heavy Duty Mini Stun Gun. Number 4. Catholic Stun Gun with Flashlight. Number 5. Reeks PowerVolt Micro USB Keychain Stun Gun. Number 6. Streetwise Security Products Stun Gun. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.